Hey, I'm SomeGuy outside. Today we're going to be installing these DV8 rock sliders in this awesome 2021 Bronco. You can find Tommy Ortegas' page on Instagram. Some sick traveling shots. Now, let's get to the install. So your mileage may vary on whether or not you've had to replace or remove the previous rock sliders. Now this Bronco did come with some aftermarket sliders installed, and we previously bent those thanks to a nice rock in the Tillamook National Forest out in Oregon.
Yeah! Oh! It's that fucking step, bro!
That's why those are getting replaced with some nice sturdy ones that aren't just going to slide like these did when they took a nice nasty hit.
Yeah.
Here we go, friends.
So the great thing about these DV8 rock sliders are they're pretty much plug and play. You don't have to drill, don't have to mess up any of the body line or the frame. Should just reinstall right where the original go. And I should be helping him right now, but I'm talking to you instead. So I'll stop doing that. Got 3 of the main 16mm bolts. They go up into your rub rail here. Oh, that's good. Got 3 16mm bolts, one here, one here, one here. And then you got 2 of these probably 14mm bolts on each side. So you're going to want to put 2 washers, then your lock washer, and then your nut. We're facing it, so you got your pinch seam rail here. So we're doing bolt head, washer, washer, lock nut, nut. Tighten it down. Don't forget this lock washer, because that'll help it from rattling off as you're hardcore rock wheeling. Mall crawling. There we go. That's what we actually do.
Yo, we've been at this for 2 hours.
Internet recommends 45 foot-pounds for the big 16mm bolts and 30 for these smaller bolts. And while we're installing these rock sliders, you may have noticed this great Corsa Performance exhaust. If you want to see how we installed that, hit the video linked up here. I'm SomeGuy outside. That's Tommy Ortega. If you want to see some more videos, go check out his Instagram at Tommy Ortega on Instagram. Otherwise, follow along, like, subscribe, comment down below if you enjoy this. What model, make, and year Bronco do you have, or do you want to have? Like me, with a shitbox Cherokee. If you like Cherokee stuff, follow along on the page. And remember, if SomeGuy can do it. All right, let's just go before we get cops called on us.
What we do for the gram, you know.